After a moment of confusion, I've regained my compass and competency to find this track. Here I am, lighthouse trackhead, 5.2 kilometers return. Here I come. Just came across these snakes. I don't know what they're doing. It looks like they're mating or killing each other or eating each other. But there's a lot going on there. As you can see, the footpath is to their left. A bit of a moment. Either go the long way or the fast way. Wow. You think you're safe in the trees in Australia? Think again, mate. Think again. Look at this creature. Like 5 minutes in the bush and I've only came across this fella here grazing away happily. He's a big bugger. Hey, Rabbi. Oh, looks like somebody's living here. Their clothes out on the dryer. I might get a cold drink. Thanks for watching our video.
If you enjoy this channel, please subscribe, comment, give us the thumbs up and share.